Number 1. 1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,000, powered by a strong 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. It has 202,000 miles and features a black exterior with a tan interior. This gasoline-powered truck remains in good working condition, with all major components functioning properly. The engine, transmission, rear differential, and four-wheel drive system are all operating as they should. The AC condenser and airbox were recently cleaned, helping the air conditioning system perform well. A previous owner also coated the frame, and it remains in great shape. As expected from a 28-year-old Midwest truck, it does have some cosmetic imperfections including paint dings, scratches, and rust on the rockers and cap corners. Overall, it is a solid running classic pickup with dependable mechanical condition and plenty of life left. Number 2. 1997 GMC Sierra 1500, price $10,000, powered by a strong 5.7L V8 paired with an automatic transmission and has 275,000 miles on the body. Finished in white with a blue interior, this gasoline-powered truck runs and drives exactly as it should. Everything is fully functional, with no warning lights illuminated on the dash. The truck features ice-cold AC, strong heat, and dependable performance overall. The exterior was repainted around 2015 and still presents nicely. It sits on NOS wheels wrapped in 305 BF Goodrich all-terrain KO2 tires with approximately 50% tread remaining. Additional upgrades include a dual exhaust system with a Flowmaster 50 series muffler and a recently installed transmission equipped with Corvette servos. A large collection of maintenance and repair records dating back to 2004 accompanies the truck, showing long-term care and upkeep. The AC system was recently serviced with new components including the condenser, compressor, dryer, and orifice tube. Number 3. 1991 Ford F-150, price $5,500, powered by a strong and reliable 300 inline-six engine paired with an automatic transmission. With only 55,000 miles, this gasoline-powered truck has been exceptionally well maintained and remains in highly original condition. Finished in blue with a matching blue interior, it presents very cleanly inside and out. This rust-free F-150 has reportedly never been involved in any accidents and is described as 100% original, never modified or molested. It comes equipped with power windows, power brakes, cruise control, and cold air conditioning. The truck also features good tires mounted on factory rims, newly replaced lights and grille, updated taillights, tinted glass, and a nice step bumper with a trailer hitch. The interior is said to be very clean, and the truck runs and drives great with no known issues. Number 4. 1997 Ford F-150, price $5,988, well-kept classic full-size pickup powered by a dependable 4.6L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. Showing only 111,000 original miles, this truck has been maintained very well and remains in exceptionally clean condition both inside and out. Finished in a red exterior with a clean and well-preserved interior, it offers the classic styling and durability that made the late 90s F-Series trucks so popular. Equipped with four-wheel drive, this F-150 is ready for daily driving, towing, weekend projects, or light off-road use. The truck runs and drives great with no known mechanical issues, delivering smooth performance and reliable power. It also comes with a clean title and a clean Carfax report showing no accidents, adding confidence to its history and overall condition. Number 5. 1994 Toyota pickup, price $8,500, powered by a reliable 6-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a manual transmission. Showing under 158,000 miles, it features a red exterior with a clean gray interior and has been maintained in mostly stock condition. The extended cab includes hideaway rear seats, while the cold AC and clean carpet add to its comfort and practicality. The truck has a clean title and has recently received important maintenance, including a timing belt replacement at 149k miles and new brakes at 157k miles. It also comes equipped with a toolbox in the bed for added utility. According to the owner, the truck runs and drives well, starts reliably, and shifts smoothly. The interior has been kept in very good shape for its age, making this Toyota pickup a solid and dependable classic compact truck. Number 6. 1992 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,800, powered by a strong 5.7L V8 paired with an automatic turbo 400 transmission. Finished in orange with a gray interior, this gasoline-powered truck runs and drives great and has been used as a reliable summer daily for the past 5 years. The truck features a built rear end with 4.10 gears, a Beltec 4.6 lowering kit, and comes equipped with new weld center caps. Originally from the southern United States, the body is exceptionally clean with zero rust or rot. It is currently located in New Ipswich, New Hampshire, and will be sold with a bill of sale and New Hampshire registration in the owner's name. Included with the sale are 2 rust-free Southern replacement doors to eliminate the shaved door setup currently on the truck. The existing door poppers have stopped working, although the truck can still be accessed through the sliding window. The extra white doors come with standard exterior handles for an easier conversion back to a factory-style setup. Number 7. 1989 Chevrolet 2500, price $9,500, with 113,000 miles, a manual transmission, and a gasoline engine. Finished in brown with a tan interior, the truck has been well cared for and remains in good working condition. Over the years, the truck has received several important updates and improvements. Recent work includes a new headliner, brand new seat upholstery, a completely new AC system, a new battery, new seatbelts, and a fresh spray-in bed liner. These upgrades help keep the truck comfortable, practical, and ready for continued use. The body is overall solid for its age, although it does have a small amount of rust in a couple of spots near the lower edge of the cab. Mechanically, the truck runs and drives well, but the fuel gauge is currently not working and there is a small oil leak. Number 8. 1998 Dodge Ram 1500, price $5,100, equipped with a dependable 5.2 L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, offering strong performance and a smooth driving experience. With 192,000 miles on the odometer, this long bed pickup still runs and drives excellent with no known mechanical issues. The truck has been well cared for by its elderly owner and comes from a non-smoker environment, reflecting the level of maintenance and attention it has received over the years. Finished in a red exterior with a clean gray interior, the truck presents itself nicely both inside and out. Everything is reported to be in proper working order, making it a solid and reliable daily driver or work truck. This Dodge Ram is a second-owner vehicle with a clean title in hand and is fully ready for its next owner. Number 9. 2001 Dodge Dakota, price $6,900, powered by a factory 5.9L Magnum V8 paired with an automatic transmission and has approximately 160,000 miles on the odometer. The truck features upgraded Willwood disc brakes on all 4 wheels, providing strong stopping power and improved performance. The exterior was professionally repainted around 10 years ago and remains accident-free with no body rust reported. The frame does show some common surface rust near the area where the cab meets the bed, but according to hammer and screwdriver testing, the rust remains surface level only. Additional features include a spray-in bed liner, tonneau cover, and several recent maintenance items such as a new battery, spark plugs, ignition wires, alternator, drive belt, and a fresh oil change. Number 10. 1989 Chevrolet 2500, price $10,000, low mileage 4x4 powered by a dependable 350 cubic inch small block V8 paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission. Showing just 132,000 miles, this gasoline-powered truck remains mechanically excellent and comes equipped with power accessories, cruise control, rear-wheel ABS, cold air conditioning, and a factory tow package. Finished in silver metallic with black metallic accent trim, the truck features a blue cloth interior that retains its original classic late 1980s Chevrolet character. As a Washington truck, it has only minor surface rust in a few small areas. The body remains largely original, including the typical factory paint wear and peeling common on many 80s Chevy trucks.